What if I told you that in 2026, your spare bedroom, kitchen table, or even your tiny corner beside the laundry basket could become your next money-making headquarters? Because right now, thousands of people are building profitable home-based businesses from home using AI, social media, digital products, YouTube, e-commerce, and skills they already have. And no, you do not need to be rich. You do not need a fancy office. And you definitely do not need to wait until your life is perfect before you start. In today's video, I'll show you 17 profitable home-based business ideas for 2026 beginner-friendly side hustles, online businesses that can grow into full-time income, and business ideas you can start from home. Some of these home businesses require little to no money to start, and some people are already turning them into six-figure income streams. So hit that like button, subscribe for more money-making content, and let's jump into it before your future rich self starts charging you consultation fees. 1. AI content creation business. Businesses need content every single day. They need captions, blog posts, TikToks, YouTube scripts, Pinterest posts, email newsletters, and most business owners are overwhelmed. That's where you come in. Using AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, CapCut, you can start a content creation business directly from home. This is one of the fastest growing home-based business ideas for 2026. 2. YouTube automation channel. Faceless YouTube channels are exploding right now. People are making money through ad revenue, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, digital products without ever showing their faces. You can use AI for scripts, voiceovers, thumbnails, editing, and yes, your laptop may become your hardest working employee. Print-on-demand business. This business lets you sell t-shirts, mugs, hoodies, journals, wall art without holding inventory. Platforms like Printify, Redbubble, Etsy handle printing and shipping for you. You create the designs, they handle the rest. That's teamwork. 4. Digital product business. Digital products are one of the best passive income ideas in 2026. You can sell ebooks, planners, templates, budgeting sheets, journals, online guides. Once created, you can sell them repeatedly. Imagine getting paid while reheating yesterday's rice in the microwave. That's the dream. 5. Affiliate marketing business. Affiliate marketing means promoting products and earning commissions when people buy through your links. You can promote Amazon products, software, online courses, fashion, finance, apps, beauty products. This works especially well with TikTok, YouTube, blogs, Pinterest. 6. Online coaching business. If you know something valuable, you can teach it online. Examples: fitness coaching, relationship coaching, career coaching, business consulting, mindset coaching. People pay for transformation, not just information. 7. AI resume writing service. The job market is competitive. Many people struggle with resumes, cover letters, LinkedIn profiles. Using AI tools, you can help job seekers professionally package themselves online. And trust me, people will gladly pay to stop getting ghosted by recruiters. 8. Home bakery or food business. If your cooking makes people suddenly become family friends during dinner time, you may already have a business idea. You can sell cakes, pastries, meal prep, African food, snacks, desserts. Use TikTok and Instagram to market your food business locally. Food content performs really well online. 9. Blogging business. Blogging is still alive and profitable. You can make money through ads, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, digital products. Popular niches: finance, motherhood, travel, AI business lifestyle. A single blog post can generate income for years. 10. Social media management agency. Businesses want visibility online, but many business owners barely know how to upload Instagram stories correctly. You can help businesses manage Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, Facebook, LinkedIn. This is a low-cost, home-based business with huge potential. 11. Online course business. People are buying online education every single day. You can create courses about cooking business, YouTube, makeup, AI tools, fitness, digital marketing. Use Teachable, Thinkific, Kajabi. This is one of the most scalable online businesses in 2026. 12. Voiceover business. Brands, YouTubers, and businesses constantly need voiceovers. And thanks to remote work, you can record directly from home. You can work on audiobooks, YouTube videos, commercials, podcasts. A good microphone and confidence can go a long way. 13. Virtual assistant business. Many entrepreneurs need help with scheduling emails, customer support, admin tasks. Virtual assistant work is booming, especially for remote businesses. 14. Handmade craft business. If you enjoy creating things by hand, turn it into income. Examples: candles, crochet jewelry, soap, gift boxes, home decor. People love unique handmade products. 15. AI thumbnail design business. YouTubers need clickable thumbnails, and many creators are willing to pay good money for high-converting thumbnail designs. You can use Canva, Photoshop, AI image tools. This is a profitable creative business idea from home. 16. E-commerce store. Selling products online is still huge in 2026. You can sell beauty products, baby products, fitness products, home decor, digital gadgets. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce make e-commerce easier than ever. 17. Freelance video editing business. Video content is dominating social media. Creators need editors for TikTok, YouTube, Instagram Reels, podcasts. If you can edit videos well, you already have a valuable skill. And honestly, good editors are becoming harder to find than matching socks after laundry day. So there you have it. 17 profitable home-based business ideas for 2026 you can start from home, even as a beginner. Remember, you do not need to start perfectly. You just need to start. Because one small side hustle today could completely change your financial future tomorrow. Now tell me in the comments, which home business idea would you start first? And if you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, share this with someone looking for work-from-home business ideas in 2026. And I'll see you in the next video.